You are the creator of your reality, and your thoughts shape the world you live in. Neville Goddard. Have you ever felt like you're trapped in a repetitive loop, stuck in a reality that doesn't align with your deepest desires? It might seem like you're caught in a simulation, with your thoughts and actions on repeat, and breaking free feels like an elusive dream. But what if I told you that you have the power to exit this cycle and create a new reality entirely? This concept isn't as far-fetched as it might sound. In fact, it's rooted in a profound understanding of how reality works and how you can leverage this knowledge to reshape your experience. The idea that we are living in a kind of simulation isn't new. It's been explored in various philosophical and scientific discussions. But when we apply this concept to personal transformation, it takes on a new dimension. It suggests that our external reality is a reflection of our internal state, and by changing our inner world, we can alter the external one. This approach isn't about escaping reality, but rather about mastering it from within. To begin, consider that the simulation you perceive is shaped by your beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. Every experience you have, every challenge you face, is a product of your internal state. This means that if you want to exit the current simulation and enter a new one, you must first change the way you think and feel about yourself and your life. The first step in this process is to become aware of your current mental and emotional state. Reflect on your beliefs about yourself and the world around you. Are there patterns of thought that keep you stuck in a particular way of being? Are there recurring themes or challenges that seem to follow you wherever you go? This awareness is crucial because it helps you identify the areas that need change. Once you've pinpointed these patterns, it's time to shift them. This is where the power of imagination comes into play. Your imagination is not just a tool for creative expression, it is the gateway to transforming your reality. By vividly imagining a new scenario, one that aligns with your desires and goals, you begin to create a new mental blueprint. This blueprint will gradually influence your external circumstances as you align your actions with your new vision. Begin by visualizing your desired reality in detail. Imagine yourself in the environment you wish to be in, interacting with people who support and uplift you, and experiencing the success and fulfillment you seek. The more vivid and emotionally charged your visualization, the more powerful its impact will be. As you continue to practice this visualization, you will start to notice shifts in your external reality. Opportunities may arise, and circumstances may change in ways that support your new vision. It's also essential to cultivate a mindset of belief and expectation. Doubts and fears can create resistance, hindering your progress. Therefore, reinforcing your belief in the possibility of your new reality is crucial. Affirmations and positive self-talk can be powerful tools in this process. They help reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your new vision and reinforcing the changes you wish to see in your life. Additionally, be mindful of your daily actions and decisions. The steps you take should be consistent with your new vision. If you want to exit the old simulation and step into a new one, your actions must reflect the reality you are creating. This means making choices that align with your goals and maintaining a positive attitude even when faced with challenges. One of the most effective ways to facilitate this transformation is by adopting a practice of daily reflection and adjustment. Each day offers an opportunity to assess how well your actions, thoughts, and feelings are aligning with your new vision. Set aside time each day to review your progress. Ask yourself questions like, are my thoughts consistent with the reality I want to create? Are my actions moving me closer to my goals? This daily practice helps maintain focus and makes it easier to identify and correct any deviations from your desired path. Moreover, maintaining a state of gratitude plays a significant role in shifting your perception. Gratitude helps to realign your energy and focus on what is positive and working well in your life. This shift in focus not only enhances your emotional state, but also opens you up to receiving more of what you desire. By appreciating the progress you make, no matter how small, you reinforce a positive feedback loop that supports continued growth and change. It's also valuable to surround yourself with influences that support and reflect your new reality. This means cultivating relationships and environments that resonate with the life you are creating. Seek out people who inspire and uplift you, and engage in activities that reinforce your new vision. This external support reinforces your internal changes and provides a tangible reflection of the reality you are building. In addition to surrounding yourself with positive influences, it's important to continue educating yourself and expanding your understanding of the principles behind manifestation and personal transformation. Reading books, attending workshops, and engaging with resources that align with your goals can provide new insights and strategies. Continuous learning not only keeps you motivated, but also helps refine your approach to creating your desired reality. As you move forward, remember that the journey is not about achieving perfection, but about making consistent progress. Each step you take towards your new vision, each adjustment you make, brings you closer to the reality you wish to experience. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. The simulation you are navigating is shaped by your ongoing efforts and adjustments, and every positive change contributes to the overall transformation. It's crucial to practice self-compassion throughout this process. Transforming your reality requires courage and resilience, and it's important to acknowledge and celebrate your efforts and progress. Self-compassion helps to maintain a positive and constructive mindset, even in the face of setbacks or challenges. By treating yourself with kindness and understanding, you reinforce your commitment to creating a fulfilling and authentic life. Another important aspect is to let go of the past. Holding on to past grievances or regrets can anchor you to the old simulation, preventing you from fully stepping into the new reality you are creating. Forgiveness, both of yourself and others, is a crucial part of this process. By releasing past hurts and thinking about a forward-focused mindset, you clear the way for new experiences and opportunities to flow into your life. Exiting the simulation and manifesting your desires is a dynamic and ongoing process that involves internal transformation and external alignment. By reflecting daily, practicing gratitude, surrounding yourself with positive influences, continuing to educate yourself, and thinking about self-compassion, you set the stage for significant and lasting changes. Your journey is unique, and the power to shape your reality lies within you. Apply these principles consistently and watch as your inner vision unfolds into your external experience. In summary, the key to exiting the simulation and manifesting your desired reality lies in transforming your inner world. By becoming aware of your current state, visualizing your desired reality, reinforcing belief, aligning your actions, and letting go of the past, you can create a new and fulfilling experience for yourself. This process is not about escaping reality, but about mastering it, using the power of your mind and imagination to shape your experience. By consistently applying practices such as daily reflection, maintaining gratitude, and surrounding yourself with positive influences, you create a powerful synergy that aligns your inner vision with the world around you. Your daily efforts, no matter how small, accumulate to produce significant changes in your life. Understanding that you are the architect of your own reality is a profound realization. This awareness gives you the power to sculpt your experiences and circumstances according to your deepest aspirations. Each action you take, every thought you nurture, and all the feelings you cultivate contribute to this process. Being mindful of your progress and celebrating even minor achievements reinforces your commitment to this path. Cultivating a supportive environment and engaging in continuous learning further enhances your ability to transform your reality effectively. If these insights resonate with you, there are several ways you can engage further and support our channel. First, liking this video helps us know that this content is valuable to you and encourages us to create more of it. Second, subscribing to our channel ensures you stay updated with our latest videos, offering you more tools and techniques for personal growth. Third, sharing this video with friends or family who might benefit from it spreads these empowering ideas to a broader audience. Fourth, leaving a comment below with your thoughts or questions allows us to interact and tailor our content to your interests. Now, clicking the notification bell keeps you informed about new uploads, ensuring you never miss out on valuable information. Your participation not only supports the channel, but also contributes to a collective effort to explore and understand the principles of personal transformation and manifestation. We value your engagement and look forward to continuing this exploration with you. Each interaction you have with our content helps us provide even more insightful and practical advice. We're excited to share this journey and grow together with you. Thank you for being part of this process, and we appreciate your continued support and enthusiasm.